Hannah, kind of at a high level for anyone joining us who might be newer to interactive content, could you just explain for us first what is interactive content and what distinguishes it from that traditional static content that we see all over the web today?
Yeah, that's a great question. So interactive digital content requires the participants' active engagement. So instead of just passively reading, watching, or listening, users are invited to participate in the content in some way, whether that involves clicking, swiping, answering quiz questions, exploring a map, or engaging in some other type of activity. I would say the key characteristic that distinguishes interactive content from that traditional static content is this element of active engagement. So with static content, the information is basically just presented to the user and then, they can choose whether or not they want to absorb it. It's really just like that one-way communication from the creator to the consumer. Whereas on the other hand, interactive content is a two-way communication. So the user has the ability to manipulate the content or the display of the information in some way. This not only increases that engagement that I mentioned earlier, but can also lead to a more personalized and memorable experience for the user. So for example, an interactive infographic allows users to click on different sections to reveal more information, or you might have a calculator tool that lets users input their own data to get those personalized results. So either way, interactive content is a really powerful tool that can boost engagement, increase information retention, provide that more personalized experience, and supply you with insights into what your audience cares about.